Hey guys, I'm Rob, this little man cave on the prairie, and today we're going to go over who do I watch on YouTube. Okay, so for a very long time now, I've tried to mention as much as I possibly can that I'm not a mechanic. I am mechanically inclined, but far from a mechanic. I have to do a lot of research. I have to talk to a lot of people. There's a lot that actually goes into research before I try any of these projects. I've swapped engines, I've swapped trannies, I've done all that kind of stuff, but I've never, been inside of an engine or anything. So when it comes down to getting some of this stuff done, well, you gotta watch some videos, and you don't only even watch one video, you gotta watch multiple videos, just so you can learn kind of little tricks of the trade. And somebody's always got an easier way of doing things, or a harder way, but it's a better way, things like that. So I watch a lot of YouTube. I watch mostly YouTube and not TV because I'm always trying to learn how to do something. So I've compiled a little bit of a list for you guys to see who I watch, and maybe they can help you too, because they've definitely helped me over the years, and it definitely helps. So in absolutely no particular order, here's who I watch. Well, I guess we'll start off with Tony from over at Highway 83 Suzuki.
What's up, Highway 83 Suzuki followers? We're back with a brand new edition. Today we're talking about bleeding a master cylinder, bench bleeding the cylinder, actually.
He's a guru at these things. If you have a Suzuki problem, you get a hold of him, boom, and he's always available.
Well, check it out. We got a fix for you today that most guys can handle. If you can't handle it, we will try producing some for resale on our website, and hopefully help you out that way as well. So,
always gets a hold of me within minutes of me talking to him. He's got his own YouTube channel, but he's also got his own shop where he sells Suzuki parts and stuff like that.
what is up, YouTube? We're back. We got a new video for you.
And just a really good guy. I've talked to him on the phone, helped me through a lot of things, and that's one you really should check out if you're into the Suzuki scene. Dirt Lifestyle. Well, we all know Nate, beautiful rigs, doesn't stick to one rig, so you're gonna learn something new about different rigs and just overall rigs in general.
What's up, guys? Today on Dirt Lifestyle, we're going to finish weld the front axle on the 1-ton Land Rover, and we're going to talk about the different processes you need to use in order to weld cast iron, cast steel, and ductile.
But also just a great fabber, makes all of his own stuff. He'll order it if he needs it, but when it comes to things like, rear tire carriers and stuff like that, he thinks outside the box, and I really like watching him. It's just enjoyable. It's a really good show, the way it's shot.
Have you ever had one of those wheeling trips where it just doesn't go like you planned?
Very clear. He'll draw you a diagram. Not bad artist, by the way, coming from an artist. Speaking of dirt garage. Boy's got it down when it comes to Toyota. Once again, likes to build a lot of his stuff himself.
All right, next thing to remove is the engine harness. And since this is fed through the firewall and it's all charred up in there, I'm just gonna cut it right here against the firewall and pull the engine back, and then pull the harness through the firewall when I get in there and start gutting the interior. So yeah, let's cut this harness in half and move on.
What I really like about him is that his garage is the same as my little man cave back home. It's just a small shop. He's got no heat, but he's out there at -20 in Canada, you know, -30, whatever. He don't care. He's just out there, and he's out there all day. I really want you to go check out him. Just had a bad mishap, burnt up his truck, and just go check him out. I think you guys are really good wheeling videos. You know, that Toyota's up on 37s and really crawls nicely. Doubler videos, stuff like that. Like, it's good stuff, good stuff. And for back to the Suzukis, you gotta go check out Fabin Adventures with Ron.
On today's episode, I'm going to take you guys on a walk around of my Suzuki Samurai.
Ron is actually a friend of mine long before he was a YouTuber. We actually go out wheeling together sometimes.
As promised, we're here at the Whipsaw Trail in southern British Columbia, and I've got Rob here with Little Man Cave on the Prairie. After all the time spent in the shop, I decided to take the Samurai on a shakedown run. On this week's episode, we're working on a 1972 FJ40 Land Cruiser.
We were just out at the Whipsaw last August. Well, this YouTuber isn't a builder by any means, but the wheeling adventures that they go on, they're down south in southern British Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful scenery everywhere they go. Excellent channel. I really like you guys to go check them out too. No music, no nothing. None of the bells and whistles of music and trick shots and everything, just wheeling, 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 wheeling. It's really, really good. And hopefully I can actually make it out there with one of them sometime. Another up-and-comer, one of the smaller guys again, Running Joe Off-Road. The channel's all over the place, and he does a bunch of stuff, but whatever he does, it's going to be done right. From SRT tuning,
Yeah.
to, you know, rebuilding engines. He actually came in the other day. And he's helping me put in my 5.13s. We got a video coming out about that. We are slapping 5.13s in my Scout diffs for the buggy. So he drove down 2 hours the other day and he was like, hey, I'll give a hand. I was like, whoa, right on, because I'm not a mechanic, right? And putting in gears is pretty fine-tuned stuff. So I was very, very appreciative, and you know, like just what I learned in that one day. He's gonna come back down, we're gonna finish him up, and then we're gonna slap him in. Should be a good time. Stay tuned for that, but go check out his stuff. He's got he's got this Lexus.
Guys, welcome to Running Joe Off-Road. We're in for a good time.
4x4 that he stuffed a V8 into on 37s, and it sounds absolutely dreamy. You should really go check it out. And he's not scared of the skinny pedal, if you know what I mean. Well guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining in. Got to get back to other stuff I'm doing, and I think next time we'll go over exactly what I did to the tracker lately. So if you guys like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and we'll get more out to you guys. And if you guys want to help out the channel a little bit, you can swing over by our new store, online store. I draw everything that goes onto the clothing and coffee cups and whatever, stickers, bunch of stuff over there. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks guys.